to another episode of Historically Marked, and I am just right in front of one of Route 66's most beloved icons, the Cadillac Ranch. However, it is not on Route 66, but I'm going to check it out, and there is supposed to be a marker here. Hopefully I can find it. I heard it's covered in spray paint, but I will show you the art gallery, and yes, I came prepared. I brought my own spray paint. So let's go. I gotta follow up that journey. Alright, so I just gotta follow up that road and I will soon be there. And so tip number one of many possibly, that definitely come here when the dirt is dry. If it just rained, or if it's raining or it's muddy, you best wear boots. Just saying. But I heard it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so that's why I'm coming tonight. I wanted to be out here tomorrow, but... So Cadillac Ranch is a set of 10 vintage Cadillacs, half buried, nose down, in this dirt field. Cars are each a different model from 1949 to 1963, in which they all display a history of famous Cadillac tales and styles. So the history behind Cadillac Ranch, it started in 1974 as a group of artists known as the Ant Farm. The three men who made up the group were Doug Mickles, Chip Lord, and Hudson Marquez. The latter two are still alive. I'm not so sure about Mickles, but countless number of people have put thousands of layers of spray paint, if not millions. But it never seemed to bother the owner of this land, Stanley Marsh III. Stanley Marsh III was a millionaire who invested in this project. He is deceased now, but people have carried on the tradition every day by just visiting out here and enjoying this art gallery. And it wasn't always here, believe it or not. This was originally in a wheat field closer to Amarillo. This is actually 9 miles west of Amarillo. It was located in a wheat field up until 1997. But because of the growing population westward of Amarillo, they put it in this cow pasture. The cars are lined up facing west. It is said that the cars are standing in the same angle as the Great Pyramids of Gaza. And as you would expect, this has become part of many aspects of popular culture. Pop star Rihanna was here last year in 2020. She posted herself on Instagram. And also there's two songs called Cadillac Ranch. One is by Bruce Springsteen from his 1980 River album, and there was one by the country superstar Chris Ledoux. And this has been featured in many movies, TV shows, even music videos. 3 music videos were shot here, or at least served as a background. Ain't No Rest for the Wicked by Cage the Elephant. Also Honky Tonk Stomp by Brooks and Dunn, and Living in America by James Brown. And there is a movie by the name of Cadillac Ranch that, of course, this is featured in, which stars Christopher Lloyd. Alright, so now I'm going to get up close, and this is the part where it gets really muddy because, yeah, it's just people track stuff. But I am going to open up my can of spray paint really soon. I'm not sure what I'm going to spray paint, maybe my initials or I don't know. But here I go. Oh, it's windy. I'm just going to write hello. Hello. And just my initials. It's kind of sloppy, but the wind kind of put the spray paint away, but oh well, I'm sure they'll get painted over by tomorrow. That's usually the case anyways. Or I can just randomly just do this. I don't know. What I should have done was just kind of bring like a little stencil that says historically marked. And I have heard that people leave their spray paints and everything around, but there's always a trash can. And unfortunately, I still have yet to find the marker. But while I'm finding it, I might as well just say, well, you know, not a lot of people are into Cadillac Ranch. I mean, I've seen in a lot of Route 66 Facebook groups, and a lot of people have spoken their opinion very negatively about this. But, you know, it's unique no matter how you see it. Some people think this is a dump or a trashy place, but hey, you know, it's Route 66 Americana, baby. Thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Historically Marked, Route 66 edition. And I am Jason, just right in front of Cadillac Ranch. And stay tuned for more Route 66 videos. I am Jason, signing off.